Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to DIVI Group's knowledge sharing channel. Today, we will share our knowledge and experience with you on how to select steam pipelines. We will also discuss how to choose and install expansion joints for steam pipelines. Why do we need to install expansion joints on steam pipelines? As we know, when the pipe contains hot steam, the pipe temperature will rise to match the steam temperature. This causes the pipe to expand along its length, causing an increase in its length. Therefore, we need to install expansion joints to eliminate the longitudinal expansion of the pipe, ensuring the pipeline system does not shift, affect the frame structure, cause pipe breakage, or compromise the safety of the entire system. According to technical documents, for steel pipes, the thermal expansion of steel pipes has been summarized by DIVI Group into a table below for your convenience. You can download this document from the website www.divigroup.com.vn. In this table, one column shows the pipe temperature, which corresponds to the steam temperature within the pipe. DIVI Group also shares a table of temperature data based on steam pressure in the next section. The vertical column represents the pipe expansion length corresponding to the temperature. Checking this table is very simple. We just need to match the temperature column horizontally to find the pipe expansion length. For example, if the steam temperature inside the pipe is 180 degrees Celsius, the expansion length of the steam pipeline is 2.2 millimeters per meter of pipe length, regardless of the pipe diameter. This expansion length applies to straight pipes. For curved pipes or pipes that change direction, we calculate the total pipe length requiring expansion. For instance, if the straight pipe length is 20 m, the expansion will be 44 millimeters. For a straight pipe length of 100 m, the expansion length will be 220 millimeters. At this point, you have the expansion length of the pipe based on its temperature and length. DIVI Group also provides a table of saturated steam temperatures based on steam pressure for your reference. Let us now move on to selecting suitable expansion joints for steam pipelines. Expansion joints for steam pipelines come in many types. 1. Single-ended expansion joints with casing. 2. Double-ended expansion joints with casing. 3. Single-ended expansion joints without casing. And 4. Double-ended expansion joints without casing. Cased expansion joints are typically used on straight pipelines on a single axis. Non-cased expansion joints are commonly used for curved pipelines or non-aligned pipes. Based on DIVI Group's experience, for industrial steam pipelines, we often use cased expansion joints. Let us take an example of selecting an expansion joint for a 6-inch pipeline carrying steam at a temperature of 180 degrees Celsius and a straight segment length of 56 m. According to the table, a 1-meter pipe has an expansion length of 2.2 millimeters. For a straight pipe length of 56 m, the pipeline expansion will be 123 millimeters. Thus, we need to select an expansion joint with a minimum compression capacity of 123 millimeters to offset the pipeline expansion. From the expansion joint selection table, we find that 2 expansion joints with a 6-inch diameter are needed, 1 single-ended expansion joint with a compression capacity of 45 millimeters and 1 double-ended expansion joint with a compression capacity of 80 millimeters. The total compression capacity of these 2 expansion joints is 125 millimeters, exceeding the required 123 millimeters. Hence, the selection is finalized as 2 6-inch expansion joints, 1 single-ended expansion joint and 1 double-ended expansion joint. For different manufacturers of expansion joints, compression capacity may vary. Therefore, you should always verify the technical specifications provided by the manufacturer before making a selection. Next, how should we install these expansion joints on steam pipelines? Let's find out. When installing expansion joints, pay special attention to ensure that the steam direction matches the arrow indicated on the expansion joint. A single-ended expansion joint can handle 45 millimeters of compression, corresponding to a pipe length of 20 m. A double-ended expansion joint can handle 40 millimeters of compression at each end, corresponding to an 18 pipe length per end. Thus, the expansion joints should be installed as shown in the diagram. Fixed points must be secured to ensure the safety of the expansion joints. At various support points, sliding joints should be designed to allow the pipe to expand freely. Here is a simulated image of a sliding joint on a pipeline. We hope that by now, you have understood how to select expansion joints for steam pipelines. Additionally, in practical pipeline construction, pre-made expansion joints can be replaced by omega-shaped expansion joints as shown in the image. Based on this calculation table, you can design the omega structure suitable for each specific pipe diameter. You can download this document from www.divigroup.com.vn. This concludes our sharing from DIVI Group on the calculation and selection of expansion joints for steam pipelines. This is a summary of our knowledge and experience. If there are any areas that need improvement, we sincerely welcome your feedback in the comments section. We hope this sharing from DIVI Group will provide some value to you. Thank you.